Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. Remember that if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. This week in one of my classes we got talking about driving and about cars, and students were sharing their experiences of passing their driving test first time or failing and failing again and then giving up. And in one of the breakout rooms, one of my students mentioned that she'd recently managed to finally buy the car of her dreams, a white Mercedes. Now, I don't know much about cars and I'm not really into cars very much, despite the fact I can drive. For me, so long as the car gets me from A to B, I'm happy. But I do know that Mercedes aren't cheap, and I know they're very respected as a brand. So I said to her, "Woof, a Mercedes, that must have set you back a bit." If you say that something must have set someone back a bit, it means that you think it must have cost them a lot of money. My student replied by saying, "Well, it wasn't cheap, I can tell you that much." We usually use set back in this way in comments like, "That must have set you back a bit, that must have cost you a lot, that must have been very expensive." And we also use it in questions. So if a friend of yours turns up wearing some very expensive looking new clothes or a new suit or something, you might say, "Ooh, very fancy, get you. Look at that new suit, look at those new clothes. How much did that set you back then? How much did they set you back then?" If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the thumbs up button. It helps us with the algorithm. Please share this video with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about things that you think must have set people back a fair bit.